Alright, so this piece moves independently from this piece. This piece moves if the hook on the deck lid contacts it at all. And this one moves when it's further down. So I got a screwdriver here pretending it's the hook. This is really hard to do one-handed. But basically, if I push these down to simulate the hook, this part, the lock, comes over. This one's push-pull. This is pull only. And here's the button. And if I do the app, the same thing happens. I don't know that this is going to be doable without heavy modifications to this panel. I don't know what's behind here. It seems to be foam lined, and it feels like right at the front of it, I can't tell if it's plastic or metal, but that would also have to be modified. In all of the other cars that have the pull down, there's only the mechanism that grabs the hook, not all this other stuff attached to it. The ones with releases are levered off of that, so it's not all of this stuff that's moving. These are cables, so I don't think there would be any issue with it going up, 2 inches, moving. But this electrical connector that goes to this switch right here, there's definitely not room for it to move up without modifying the tub inside of the Frunk.